Hello, this is data management demonstration using Motoman robot. For the first case, which is case 0, I am going to load the program now. Program is set to case 0, which is direction is set to 0. I'm going to put up my reset bit to be 1. And then I'm going to load my program, which is my main, and then I will start the project. Notice that the program has quickly timed out, indicating that step 0, the robot will do nothing. However, if I go back to my variable table and go to step 1, I am now on step 1, and I reload my project, which is my main, and go on auto. Notice that the robot only places parts on station 1 continuously. If I expand my variable table as I've just expanded now, notice that for every part the robot places on the conveyor, the station 1 total part is being incremented by 1. For every part the robot places, station 1 gets incremented by 1. However, if I go to put up my direction to case 2, which is, and reload my program for case 2, go back to my variable table, notice that the robot now puts cases, or rather put the part on station 2 of the conveyor. And also notice that the total part keeps getting incremented. For as long as the robot places a part on that particular side of the conveyor, the total part gets incremented. However, if I go to the last phase, which is case 3, and I load my program, and the robot will not do anything because it is waiting for the quantity, and I load the quantity to be 3, and then load the quantity to be 3. Notice what the robot is going to do for this particular case. The robot is going to load the first 3 cases on the right, and then load the next 3 cases on the left. It's loading the second case. It is loading it based on the quantity I have imputed on my quantity tab, as is being displayed on the screen here. Notice that it keeps getting incremented. My station 1 is getting incremented because the robot is still loading station 1. Notice that station 2 is still at 2. Now the robot has started loading station 2. For every time the robot loads station 2, it gets incremented. Now station 2 is at 3. The robot is loading the second one. It will get incremented to 4. And then the robot will load the last one, and it gets incremented to 5. The robot will stop its operation. However, if at the beginning of my program, for this same program, I am asking the robot now to just load one box for each of the station, and then I turned on my reset bit. As I've done now, I loaded my program again. Notice now that all of my total part has been resetted. All has been resetted. The robot will load the first one to the right with an increment of 1. It has incremented to 1. It will load the second one to the right with an increment of 1. Okay. That concludes this demonstration. Thank you.